Guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifemena, and on this channel I make videos concerning productivity and organization. So if you're interested in those kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to join the fam. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I pretty much plan and organize my entire existence on Notion, the almighty, all-powerful Notion. So for those of you who don't know, Notion is an all-in-one workspace which allows you to take notes, plan, collaborate, and get organized. It allows you to take notes, add tasks, manage projects. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Notion dashboard and how I use it for YouTube, for school, and also to plan my day-to-day life. Also, there's a link in the description down below for you to duplicate this Notion template. A big shout out to Brianna Kwan for making this template. So when I enter, this is Efemena's Notion, and I just have these two quotes, which is, "This is my month and good things take time," just to motivate me when I wake up. Okay, so here is my daily to-do. Here I just have, it's just a list of everything I need to achieve that day. So this is just like my to-do list for that day. And then I have this picture to also inspire me. And then this is my Spotify. Okay, this actually isn't my song. This is from Brianna Kwan. And this is her Spotify playlist. So you guys should go follow her on Spotify or whatever. And then under here, I have habit trackers. Now going up to the next part, I have work. So my work usually entails YouTube, school, and research. So these are all the things that I have here under work. And then I just have a GIF of an anime doing some work. And then I have your life's plan. So I have my weekly plan, my monthly plan, and then goals and habits. And then I have a picture of self-care. Then I have personal, which is my reading list, TV watch list, wish list, and mad and sad girl moments. And then I have an anime working out just to also inspire and make my Notion kind of aesthetic. And then under this part, I have a GIF of someone grabbing their glasses, which is also inspiring. And then I have adulting, so like monthly reflection, and then finance to keep track of everything you buy and your money and whatever. Then I have monthly to do and completed. Here, this is where I just reflect on the month. And then this is grind time, so Pomodoro timer, just to keep me on track. Right now, going into how I plan for like day to day and my daily and weekly plans. So here I have daily to do. So this is where I plan everything I have to do for that day. And then for weekly plans, I'm just going to show you how it looks like. The first week of July, for example, how I planned that part. Okay, so for this week, I have a quote up here, and I wrote "You're a freaking badass," which is not really true. And then song of the week. So what I usually do is, first of all, I plan the 5 days of the week, so the 5 working days of the week. So on Monday, I have everything I need to do on that Monday, then Tuesday, then Wednesday, then Thursday, then Friday. And then I have a weekend list. So if I have anything planned for that weekend or for Saturday and Sunday. So every Sunday I have a to-do list of what I want to achieve that week. So that's basically how I plan for the week. And then for the monthly planning is just like a calendar. So for like events and appointments I have, so I don't forget that I have all those appointments. So it's like a calendar. So let's look at July's monthly plan. So first of all, I have reflections. I have different this is just more for like journaling, for like digital journaling. I'm not going to go into that today. But for the July master plan, it's basically a calendar where I have my different appointments, different events, and different deadlines of the month. So I just put that into my different calendars. So now going into YouTube, school, and research, these are the last parts I'm going to focus on in this video. So now first, going into my school, I take different online courses. So here is my grade book. So club and extracurriculars, reflection, school processes, so like different kind of documents, skills to learn, and then online courses. My school page is really easy to navigate. So then going into my research page, this is not for everyone. So the research page just contains all the topics I'm researching into different pages. And then for my YouTube, this is my YouTube page. I really like my YouTube page. It's really aesthetic and really easy to navigate. So how I plan my YouTube videos, so I have monthly video plans and I have the different months divided. So I really started using Notion in June, so I have June, July and August. So I'm just going to look at July, how I planned some videos. So I have the title, I have the description. Okay, now let's look at June. How I plan some videos. So basically I have rough outlines, so just like points I want to talk about in the video. So this is mainly for sit down videos where I want to hit every point and not like talk off points. So I have rough outlines of the videos, and then I have the title, the description, and also some tags. This just makes me more organized and makes posting the video a lot smoother than normal. So that's basically how I plan my videos. And then also I have production also under YouTube videos. So this is just for like videos that are sponsored and videos that just to know the status of videos. So because I like to produce videos ahead of the time they're supposed to be published, and this just really helps me. So here I have Notion tour, which means that I have really I have done the script, I have done the keyword research, I already have what I'm going to say in mind, and so it just remains for me to film. And so the status is ready to film and I'm filming the video. This is a lot of talking. So basically this is just my Notion in a nutshell. Is it nutshell or nutshell?
Nutshell now.
Who says nutshell?
Because the baby said, keep saying in a nutshell. That's why every mommy says it.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it or if you learned one or two things from this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment down below new video ideas. I promise I'm going to be very consistent with my YouTube. I wasn't really consistent because last week I was in the hospital and life has just been throwing different things my way. So but I promise I will be very committed to my YouTube channel. Also, my birthday was on Thursday. You'll be watching this on Sunday. My birthday was on Thursday. Make sure to leave a birthday message for me down below. So thank you guys for watching this video. I love you so much.